All right. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy, the Young CEO, back with another video. This is actually a live stream. Um, so today I just wanted to do a little bit something special, and basically this morning on the Nas 100, and I just wanted to come on here and just do a little live analysis and breakdown of what I seen in the markets and how I broke this trade down and basically how you know how this trade became profitable and you know how it put the how basically me and analyzing this me analyzing the way I analyzed it, how it put the odds in my favor of this trade being a profitable one, right? So um let's get started. Hope everybody's having an awesome day today. um just to let you guys know, I'm not a financial advisor. This entertainment is for this video, and this live video is for entertainment purposes only. So without further ado, let's get into this video and let's do the breakdown. All right. So right now, my trade is deep in profit. Right. I called a buy this morning on the Nas 100. Right around 9 o'clock. Basically I took this trade right around like 9:30, 9:15. But like I didn't catch this very bottom, but this is the area that I actually marked up last night. If you guys go on the an hourly chart, there's a huge imbalance in this area, right? And I'm pretty sure if you go on the where we at with it. If you go on the 4-hour chart, I actually started on the 4-hour chart, and I actually marked up this area as an area of interest for me, right? The reason why this area is very interesting is because this is a huge gap, a huge imbalance in the market, where I see that the market had a potential to trade to today, right? And I marked this area up last night. If you go down on the 1-hour chart, you can get a more precise entry and see where the imbalance is actually at, right? If you keep going down 30-minute, then 15-minute, right? I went to the 15-minute, then you this whole area, these are imbalances, imbalance, right? These are all imbalances in the market. So I just tended to mark this area up last night, and one thing that I did was I wanted to make sure that where we at with it. So one thing that I made sure of is I made sure I marked up. The first thing I did was I marked up the start of the day, right? So I started last night at 12 a.m. at night. I marked up this area. I don't know if you guys could hear that noise in the background. Somebody's lawn is mowing their lawn. But anyway, I marked this area up right here at this candlestick, right? Find the 12 a.m. candlestick. I marked the area up for the candle open, right? Just put a line there, right? Just put a line there, and that's the open of the day, right? Now, what I wanted to see was if the market was going to trade below the open of the day or above the open of the day. If it tells us that we're going to trade below the open of the day, then I'm looking for a bullish setup. If it opens the open of the day, then I'm looking for a bearish setup, right? Depending on the market structure, depending on what we're looking at, the scenarios may be different, but that's the first thing that I do when I look at the chart. Where's the open of the day at? Where's the 12 o'clock candle opening at, right? And then I set my mark, I set my line, and then off of that, then I will wait till 8:30 in the morning. 8:30 in the morning. Obviously, what happens around 8:30 is that you have the news embargo that lifts, right? You have news dropping at 8:30, and then at 9:30 you have the equities market open, right? So that's exactly what I look at. I look to see if there's any news going on, if there's any news happening during the daytime. So what I would do, I'll go to Forex Factory for that. Bam. Right, you come here, look at all the news that's happening for the day. Um, Literally, there's no red folders for today. It's Friday, October 21st. Right now, the time is actually Friday, 11:53 a.m. So this is right after like the midst of New York session, right? We'll go ahead and actually enter the lunch session in about the lunch for the banks at around like 12 o'clock, which is in 6 minutes. So the market should start slowing down from between that time. But as you guys can see, um, I marked up this area for this is my area of entry, my area of interest, right? So I waited till around I waited till around 9 o'clock to see where market structure and where price is at, right? The market at 9:30, between 8:30 and 9:30 should be around the area of interest that you marked up, right? So whether it's a imbalance, whether it's a order block, whether a certain market structure, right? Whether it's a market structure, you know, like basically, like I'm looking for that around that time. One thing about trading is that time and price. So time is very very important, right? So time is what time what type of time, what time are you what time what session are you paying attention to? What like you got to figure that out, right? What session are you going to be trading in, and what time is the time that you want to be most focused on, right? So time is the very first important thing. Then price is the second most important thing, right? And seeing where the market's at, right? So basically, like that's a little bit about my market analysis, and how I actually look to get the potential trade. Now the trade's not over, right? Once you look for a potential trade, you have to figure out where you're gonna get out, where you're gonna take profit is, how much pips are you risking, and that's another thing that you have to figure out. So what I had done is, right, since price likes to is attracted to imbalances and gaps in the market, and the market and banks and institutions will tend to push price up into those imbalances, right? I'm looking for the next imbalance, right? Where's the next imbalance? In this area. My next imbalance, let me mark it up for you guys. I put a line right here, so and we traded into that area this morning. Bro, what am I looking for? Oh yeah, I'm looking for a rectangle. Alright. So this is the area that I was looking for us to actually too big for us to actually trade into. The other area I was actually looking for to actually trade into, and we actually were able to get to that area. Yeah, we were able to actually come in and fill in that area, and we're right now we're actually filling it in again. No, our price is being pushed up into this area. So as you guys literally the price is literally getting pushed up into this area, and I could see us just staying within this area, or probably getting possible rejection and probably just chilling. I mean, this is the end of the week. This is the Friday. Markets usually tend to chill out in after lunch, right? After the lunch time, which is 12 to 1. And that's basically it's simple. Like that's what I'm trying to say. Like there's basically nothing else to what I'm telling you guys. Like this is basically how I mark up. This is my analysis of trading, and this is what I do in order to take trades and how I take trades, right? I mark up the opening of the day. After I mark up the opening of the day, I look for I'll go to sleep, wake up at 8:30, look at the news, whatever news that came out, that's pre-market news or whatever, and then at 9, between 9 and 9:30, that's when you should see the real move, right? Sometimes it happens a little bit later, but between that AM session, 8:30 to 11, that's when you should be looking for your trades, right? That's when trade opportunities are going to be presenting itself, right? So um so now I set my take profit up here because obviously like we have that imbalance up here, and I want to see the market trade up into that area. But also we got to take into account the most improper thing is risk management, right? How much risk are you taking, and how much risk does this trade allow you to take, right? Or how much risk are you taking, right? What's your risk to reward, right? As you guys can see, this trade was 3-1, right? That's the base. That's the base that you should be taking a trade, 3-1. That's how much I take, 3-1, right? You could take partials between the times of you, um, between the times of you, you know, between the times your price is being traded toward your area or target. But obviously take partials when you're in profit, because protect your trade. So even if right now our trade is up here, so say for example if the trade comes to the above this high right here, right, maybe you put your stop loss in profit, and now your trade is fully protected, because once your trade is in profit, that's on you, right? You should be able to protect your trades. So I basically with my stop loss, the one thing I'm looking for is to put my stop loss where the next market structure is at, right? Where I see the next market structure is at. And obviously price could have traded all the way down into this area, which it did actually. Price traded down all the way into this imbalance, and after that imbalance it traded right back up. And this is the prime zone this is the prime entry right here, right? This is the prime zone to enter the market, and which it did trade to. But obviously I took the trade up here because remember, time is the most important thing. If it's already 9:30, if it's 9:30, and market is showing rejection of this area, then I'm most likely looking for a buy. And guys, look what's happening right now. The market price is being traded up into that imbalance. We're actually filling up that imbalance right now. For those who don't understand, and for those who don't really understand, think of it as a time in the market where the price was just pushed so far up that there's no market structure in that area, right? So that's just a beginner definition of that. I would go in depth, but YouTube channel, I'm looking to actually, in my Discord, will be dropping more value in that area. I just wanted to go briefly on this market analysis for you guys. So yeah, so this is the trade that I took this morning. This is the trade breakdown. Hope you guys got some value from this video. Don't understand why that happened. Okay, there we go. Anyway, market was just going crazy. But anyway, I hope you guys took some value from this video and this live stream. I will be doing more live stream and more live analysis. The previous live analysis, right, I actually did it live, actually traded live with you guys. This I just wanted to come on here and do a live breakdown, and just a live breakdown and trade breakdown, because I don't really do trade breakdowns too often, but I'm gonna be doing them more often, as well as coming on here and trading live. Like I said, I did a live trading video. Make sure you guys go check that out. It is on the Nasdaq 100. I also break down how I actually looked for that trade, and gave you guys a couple pointers on what to do during a trade, and a little bit of mindset stuff as well. And because that's another thing, right? Being emotionally attached to the market, and like that's a whole other side of things other than technical analysis, is the mindset. If you don't have your mindset down, trading is not for you, right? If you don't have your emotions, like if you don't have your mentality and the proper mindset of trading, then you're not going to be able to become a profitable trader, even if you know technical analysis, right? You're not going to be able to bounce back from a loss. You're not going to be able to do certain things that professional traders, I'm not saying I'm a professional trader, but that experienced traders have, right? So, go tune into that video. And if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, um, anything, then just leave it in the comment section. Um, Also, like a few updates. Make sure you guys go join that Discord, because I'm gonna be having a lot of new things rolling out, such as updated projects of NFTs, cryptos, no, just a whole bunch of stuff, day trading. I'm gonna be doing like a whole bunch of things in that Discord, and so that we could build up this young CEO community, and just inspire young entrepreneurs to invest, and just a whole lot of other stuff that's out there that we can take advantage of as a young CEO community. So without further ado, make sure you guys go like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification button, and I'll see y'all on the side of success.